In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Google Meet from Google Calendar using Google Workspace for Business. Whether you're new to Google Workspace or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's begin by making sure you have access to Google Workspace. If you're using it as part of your organization or business, you'll probably have the necessary login credentials already. Now head over to the Google Workspace homepage. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser or through the link provided by your organization. Once on the Google Workspace main page, look for the admin console. This is typically found among the options. Click on it to move to the next step. It's usually represented by a range of tools and can be an indicator that you're in the right place to manage your account. You'll then need to log in using your business email address. Enter your credentials carefully, as this step is crucial for gaining access to all the Google Workspace applications connected to your account. After you've entered your email, click Next or Sign In. This will prompt you to enter your password, so go ahead and do that to proceed. After successfully logging in, locate the Google Apps menu found at the top right of the screen. It's the grid icon that resembles a waffle. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu of all the Google apps available to you. This is where we find Google Calendar, which is our primary focus for this tutorial. From the drop-down menu, select Google Calendar. It should open in a new tab or window, allowing you to manage and view your scheduled events. If you have an upcoming meeting, it will be listed here, complete with details and options for joining. Navigate through your calendar and find the event you wish to join via Google Meet. Clicking on the event block will open an event details window where you'll see all the specifics relating to your meeting. In the event details, you should see an option that says Join with Google Meet. Clicking this will open a new tab or window, launching Google Meet and taking you directly into the meeting environment. Ensure that your microphone and camera settings are properly adjusted for a seamless meeting experience. And there you have it. You've successfully joined a Google Meet session through Google Calendar using Google Workspace for Business. Using these steps, you can effortlessly connect to your meetings, ensuring you're always where you need to be when you need to be there. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double check your login credentials and ensure your internet connection is stable. Thanks for joining today, and I hope this guide helps you navigate your virtual meetings with ease.